before. These are pretty cool. I've seen them wrestle rod in these too. This one looks like it has a, I don't know if that's a Ford. Looks like a small block. That's your car?
Yeah.
Nice car. Is it a 289?
302.
302? Okay. Nice. What all did you do suspension wise?
It's basically stock. But
Basically stock?
The control arms and urethane bushings.
Nice.
Just beefed it up.
Yeah, I mean, they pretty much got a good, they handle pretty well. This kind of small, already kind of sporty car to begin with.
Yeah, and I was trying to make a mid-engine car, so I pushed the fire.
I think it's sexy. It's another clean Jag. It's got the hardtop convertible on it. XK. I don't think I can fit in these though, but I still think they're sexy. Just really, it just looks like it wants to prance. Take a look at the inside. You can see how tight it is in here. Yeah, it's a pretty tight fit. Can never go wrong with these. It's a beast of a car. Beautiful car.
Yeah, me too.
Supercharger. Yeah, that's a monster. Lamborghini SUV, the LM002. I've seen this one before. This thing's beastly. V12 off-road monster. You don't see too many on the road. And then it's towing the Fiat back here. The 1200. Fiat. Cute cars, but you know, they always said that you gotta be a mechanic to keep these things on the road. Chevy right here, it's all metalled out. I don't even know if it has any clear coat or anything on it protecting it, but looks like they did a lot of body work and still have some other body work to be done because it has some rust on the bottom down here. A lot of patchwork. They did a lot of custom work already to it. It's hard to find these trucks with all the metal intact. You got to do a lot of metal work on them. Quite a few Porsches out here. 996s, 911. For all the Porsche guys out there. Got an SL, probably 500. Cool little variety. A lot of British cars out here too. The British sports cars in the house. They are very distinct when they came out. These Italian cars. They have some unique design cues. Take a look in the inside. Interesting. Wood steering wheel. A lot of little toggles and chrome accents on the gauge cluster. Interesting. Caught my attention. 60. Looking at the grill. What is this? A 60. Maybe a 67. I'm not sure. You guys, let me know. Look at the back. Maybe it'll tell me more. I don't really know El Caminos, and I don't know if this is all original. I know it's a late 60s, maybe between 60, 67. I know it's not a 69, so maybe 66. SF. The cam? They got a cam in it?
It's a full roller cam, but
Okay.
it's a very tame street
On the
engine.
rally. That was the parking lot that I first pulled into, and I didn't realize that they had cars inside the stadium. So you have the cars here lined up that are actually going on a rally, and man, these are some beautiful cars. You got a 71 Alfa Romero GTV, and then you have a 74 BMW 2002 Turbo. A 71 Corvette LT1. These are some classics right here. 1957 Porsche 356 Speedster. And so you got to have these things running tip top if you're going to do this this type of drive. And I don't know if the 1,000 represents 1,000 miles or if that's significant.
No other issues except for
73 3.0. 66 Alfa Romero GTA. Giulia T71. I've never seen one of these. Wow.
you want to get in? Like a man, I can take a picture of you. You want to sit in the driver's seat?
Ferrari 365 GTC. This would be a fun car to do a drive in. Looks pretty comfortable in here. Nice. And these people drive their cars too. GTC.
Wait, which one?
Well, all three, I think.
And we got a 68 Ferrari 330 GTC. Porsche 911. 365 GTC 4.
I so many have.
63 Jag E-Type. 65 Shelby Cobra 289. So this is 1,000 miles. They drive from here to Sedona, through Prescott, and yeah, they go through Tucson, then back around through Scottsdale, and at the end of the day, it's a 1,000-mile trip. 66 Porsche 912. 55 Jaguar XK 140. Yeah, they're gonna get a lot of sun on this trip. '67 Corvette. And you got a 65 Aston Martin. It's a pretty car. DB6 Volante. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful car. A lot of Jags in the rally. A beautiful day out here too. Got another BMW 3.0. This would be a nice car to do a rally in. Clean. TR4. 65 Porsche Coupe. And then we got a GT350. And it's got a Paxton supercharger. That's be a fun car in the rally. Now they're going to be doing a rally in comfort. Take a look inside here. Yeah, they're going to be cruising. They're going to be cruising this thing, enjoying the luxuries. Fun car for the rally. One of these. It's a right-hand driver.
I wonder what country it's from.
I know, it looks like it could maybe be French. Kind of remind me of Citroën a little bit, you know, the French design. It is. Look at that. Right-hand driver. Interesting car. Oh, Czechoslovakia. Wow. Look at this. Tetra. 1938.
Your little eyeballs.
Wow. 250S. Imagine this on the rally for 1,000 miles. Yeah, buddy. You better have a strong back. Beautiful car. Straight race car. Straight race car. Woo, man. Look at that ride. I want us to clear the field, so let me hurry up and get around here so you guys can see what else. Oh man, we got a Daytona, Ferrari Daytona. Beautiful. Miami Vice. Yeah, beautiful car, man. Yeah, a lot of cool classics out here. I'm gonna have to go kind of fast here to get the rest of what's out here. A T-Bird.
Oh, yeah.
Sunbeam Tiger. Got an XKE Jag. Mercedes 280 SE, another comfortable ride. Oh, look at this. They got a Riviera. Oh, he's going to be rolling. Riviera. 68 Buick Riviera GS. 69 Camaro. Z28. '59 Ferrari 250 GT Coupe. 71 365 GTB. Oh, that'd be a fun car. Beautiful. Ferrari Dino. 66 Mustang. Oh man, got a 55 300 SL Going. Beautiful. Another 365 GTC. 58 300 SL. A 60 300 SL. And a 57 300 SL. Some of these cars are what you would see in car shows, but they're actually driving these cars. So they got, you know, rock chips, paint chips, and stuff like that. But cool show. We're gonna see what's gonna go down right now. I guess they're gonna set up the rollout.
These are pretty unique vehicles right here because they did a lot of stuff. This is one of those cars that was really sort of designated for the Italian. This is a 1973 Lamborghini. Very special car here. This is a 1966 Ferrari 275 GTS, and this is the only Ferrari. We've got a variety of Mercedes 300 SLs this year. This, in my opinion, wolf in sheep's clothing right here. Up next, we've got a 1960 Aston Martin. Sort of the beginning of the production run of the Jaguar XF. it's called the Batmobile, but it did a lot of other interesting things too. This is a 1973 BMW 3.0. This is a 1960 Romeo Giulia G3 Zagato body Alfa Romeo earlier. Now we've got a red one. This is a 1968 Ferrari 365. This is a real treat right here. We've got, ladies and gentlemen, this, and again, I've said it a million times before in a million different places.
1000, man, a lot of cool cars. It's always dope when you get to see the classic cars actually driving on the road and then put miles on them rather than have them sitting in garages somewhere collecting dust. So that was exciting. And yeah, man, you know, I might have to put that on the bucket list as one of the rallies to do in the future with wifey. So make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what your favorite car is, and muscle up.